So, hello and welcome to another lecture in KubeSphere Cloud Native Platform course series by TechLatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like overview of the platform, about the KubeSphere, and then setup installation of KubeSphere on various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure. So this is the basic lecture about the user interface of KubeSphere. Okay, so our VM is already running, and you can see that on our IP address, your KubeSphere is running. So this is the platform basically. So if you check the cluster, this like the platform of three options: cluster management, access control, platform settings. Okay. So if you're talking about cluster management, so unified management of multiple clusters and their basic resources, components, and application resources. So we check the cluster management. Okay. So you can see the nodes and then the system components. If you click check the cluster nodes, so these are the cluster nodes. System components are there, then projects and then application workloads like workloads, jobs, then ports, and here you can see the services, ingress. Okay, so if you check the configuration, then secrets, and then config maps, service accounts, CRDs. Okay, so the custom resource definition extends Kubernetes by allowing user to create any kind of custom resource. Users can use these CRD objects as they do for built-in resources. Okay, then storage like persistent volume claims, storage classes, volume snapshots classes, then monitoring and alerting cluster status, and then application resources, cluster monitoring, then cluster settings, basic information, cluster members, cluster roles, gateway settings. So these are some things here, and like if you click on platform again, okay, so you can see that default cluster. If you check the overview here, so you can find about the CPUs, memories, ports, disk, and here you can see the tools and other things. Then let's go on access control. Okay, so a workspace is an isolated logical unit used to organize projects and DevOps projects, manage resources, access, and share information with your team. Okay, if you want to create any workspace, so you can create with here, you can give name, allies, admin, and other things. Okay, so like the description, close it. Then if you want to add users, so you can create users from here, add email, platform URL, and other things. Okay, close this one. Then platform rules, these are some platform rules here. And if you check the work branch, so like here you can see the admin panel and other things, because I'm logging with an admin panel. Okay, if you check the user settings, so here you can say find up the mail and other things, password settings. Okay, now if you check the platform again, then here you can see the platform settings like the notification management, notification channels, and other things. Okay, so if you talk about Ding Talk, Vcon, Slack, Babop, so there are a lot of options are available. If you want to integrate Slack with the KubeSphere, so you can like add Slack token, Slack channel, and everything. Then Vcon like server settings and other things here. Then Ding Talk here, app key, app secret. If you want to integrate with Ding Tech, if you want to integrate with Vcon, Slack, Bavhook, so a lot of options are here. And if you want to integrate with email, so you can like add email here. Then platform overview here, information about the platform. Okay, so and then this is user guide API document. So if you want to check API docs of KubeSphere, so you can check from here. Then this is user guide basically. So basically the documentation of for KubeSphere. Okay, then again click on platform, then go on cluster management. Okay, if you check workbench, same here, the workspace here, and then the workspace, then user here. Okay, and then admin is the user basically. Then either you can see the default cluster. So we are already talking about these things and other stuff like the CPU, disk, memory, port. Okay, so and this is Kubernetes KubeSphere monitoring. If you check the monitoring here, so here you can see the Prometheus tool, which KubeSphere uses for monitoring. Okay, then if you want to check the Kubernetes, then here you can see the Kubernetes KubeSphere. A lot of things are here. Then apart from this workbench same, then access control, we have already discussed access control. Platform settings, we have already discussed platform settings. Okay, so like this is the basic overview of the UI, basically user interface of KubeSphere. We will cover everything in detail in separate lectures like cluster management, multi-cluster, and lot of things. Okay, so that's all about this lecture, and don't forget to show some love and support to course. And I hope you guys like this lecture, this course. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.